Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from all devices on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up and see within the Brawl Stars game menu, you will not find an option to log out from all devices with a single button. So in order to log out safely and securely, you will need to repeat the following process across every device that you are logged into. Just long press on the Brawl Stars game icon and then tap on the application info button. Now from the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on storage, and now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on delete, which will delete all of your user data for the Brawl Stars game, which means your account will be logged out. Now you will need to repeat this process across every device that you are logged into in order to log out from all devices. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to log out from all devices on the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.